Guys, buncha for dinner. Ganda lang style ng ano, layback. Epic yan. Ano pala dito sa kabila? Ring restaurant year 2023 and 2024. Green mango salad. Taste test. Finally, a bun that is worth the hype. Kasi masarap siya.
When I think about yesterday, my oh my.
Guys, welcome back to me. This is our last day here in Sapa, Vietnam, and we're going back to Hanoi tonight. Today, time check, it's 9:13. Our pickup is 9:30. Since yung bus natin is 10 AM going to Hanoi, and it's a 6 hours ride going to Hanoi. Ngayon, ano na tayo, mag-check out na tayo dito sa hotel. Bye, Sapa! We have some souvenirs here. We bought some. Hello guys, we're inside the bus now. Now it's time for us to sleep or edit some vlogs. See you in Hanoi. Guys, already got off from the bus and may shuttle naman ata pero we will take Grab na lang going to our hotel. Medyo malapit lang naman. As per Grab, around 33,000 dong lang. So around 70 pesos going to our hotel. Back in Hanoi. Made it again here in the hotel. We're going to a bunch of place for late lunch or early dinner now. Ito guys is Michelin star. Actually, dalawa sila magkatapat. Isa daw number 1, then ito yung isa talaga na number 1. Which is, ito yung nasa left side yung may Michelin star. Doon tayo sa may Michelin star. Let's go there. As per our tour guide last time, ito yung original with Michelin. Tabuto for... Buncha. Guys, buncha for dinner. Beach coconut. Kasang buko. Meron silang parang pure meat. Ang sarap. Quality ng pork, no? Nahihaw. Sarap. Sunod si tatay, though. Masunod siya. Kaya nga. Ang sarap. Ito hindi siya masyado matamis. No? Kumpara dun sa isa. Yung sa Obama, napakatamis.
Hindi mo napakatamis.
Pero...
Ano lang? Pero sila matamis din.
Matamis. Ang dami ng meat, no?
Ang dami ng meat, actually.
Ito yung masarap na sauce eh. Yung try ko last time. How much? 185? Here?
Yung bayak ko na sushi.
We're going to Kong Coffee for dessert. Another coffee. Parang run out dito ngayon. Ang daming walang ilaw na stores. Parang run out nyo. Ang daming sarado eh. Oh, anong galing. Ano pulutan yung chupa chups? Galing nyo. Yes, we'll buy this one. Parang baliktad. White cheese cream. White cream cheese. Then one large coffee. You have salt coffee? Salt? Cafe Trung, 27K. One. Kalamansi siya. Kalamansi juice. Come on.
Thank you.
Thank you. Fortunately, wala na silang kape. Iced tea lang. So I bought iced tea also. And some coffee pero instant. Let's try the iced tea. Calamansi iced tea. Isang calamansi. Ito. Isang iced tea. With calamansi. Parang siya may jasmine na. Jasmine calamansi tea siya. Tama si Kevin. We're in the lake park now. It's already 8 p.m. Wala, ikot-ikot lang. Kasi wala namang gagawin tonight. Ikot lang kami dito sa may lake area. Buhay siya paggabi. Tapos later, baka mag-night market din if bukas pa after the lake. Mga pools ata nila yan. We're shooting ng something performance dun guys, may show. Yung like nila. Bakit? Maasim guys dito. Charing. Ano bayabas? Lamig finally. Mga luxury brand here. May Burberry, Gucci. May shooting ba? Bunsya na naman eh. Puro bunsya. Ito oh. Banko Ban. Lumpia. Na Michelin star. Vietnamese niche perfumes. Let's check. Ooh. Ah, okay. You have a nice tote.
See, yes, I gone with the sweet creamy from the white flower and the
Okay. But it's sweet. Yeah. What is this? Is it essential oil or?
yeah, you can spray on the pillow.
Ah, okay. Pillow.
And you also can spray on the clothing.
Ah, okay. This one is very subtle. Ito yung gusto mo eh. White tea. For pillowcases or any. But it's very light. How much is this? $3.29 for this?
This one is for
The pillow mist.
pillow
And
mist.
for your throat.
This is Mekong.
Actually, it's oolong tea.
Oolong tea. It smells good.
I like the color of those. No? It's very...
Indochine.
Oh, sticker rice. Let's try this sticker rice here in Hanoi sa buffet ng hotel.
Sticker rice siya, kaso kasi may karne na savory. Kung na siya bagay for me. Karne pala yun. Hindi siya matamis.
Guys, room tour. Okay, here we have one large king bed. Tapos we have balcony here. And kaso yung balcony, isang pala yung pwede pumasok. Look. Diba? Ayan. One large king bed. Spacious niya guys. Parang pwede pa isang bed dito. Single bed. Then here, a clean bathroom with bathtub here. For its size, I think it's not bad for its price. Malaki naman yung... Pero pala ditong cabinets, TV, and some ref here. So yan yung room natin. We extended this room for around 1.2 million. So roughly around 2.5 or 2.4 in peso. So not bad. So may free complimentary na rin sila. Mga coffee and waters here. Okay. And super clean. Yun lang. This is Delica Hotel sa Old Quarter, Hanoi. I highly recommend this hotel. Vincom Center.
Ganda ng style ng ano, color pink and shorts. David Gison is that too. Ang galing naman ni ate. Goshe. Pero pag may mga kama or arrows, ito may question mark. Tapos may kama pa dun. Paano siya basahin? Ito depende sa umul. Kailangan yung umulan, no? Aha! Goy! Shit. Goy shit. Let's go.
Going to Dr. Martens. We go down.
Di ba rin na? Okay.
Okay.
Basta ikot natin.
So sorry. Thank you.
Thank you. Malaki pala siya. Nagkarugtong. Malaki pala to. Ganda pala to. Lalo na to. Too late, bitch. We're going to Kong Cafe ulit to get some morning coffee. But actually, it's already 12:30. Pero busog pa kami from the brunch kanina. So, kape-kape muna sa Kong Cafe. King Kong Cafe. 1 coconut coffee, large. Come on.
The view is so nice here.
Guys, we're here in Vincom Center, Kong Coffee. The vibe here is very chill and relax lang. Very layback. I think, yeah. Very layback yung ano dito. Mga coffee shop. Even the style sa loob. Very siya. Historic. Parang may pala dito sa kabila. May store. Puntahan natin.
Ganda. This one is nice.
Poster.
We're back at Cafe Jiang. Ice egg coffee and salted cream coffee. We're back.
Dapat magbibili lang kami ng souvenirs. Pero wala kami makita. And we passed by again this Cafe Jiang. So we decided to get a egg coffee ulit. And the salted cream coffee nila. And after this siguro we will go to Tambi for early dinner. Tapos siguro Banmi 25 before going back to for midday snack before going to back to hotel. Then prior to airport. Behind the scene. G. This one is the salt cream. Salted cream. Okay. Pero masarap talaga to, salted cream. Salted cream. Guys, welcome to this Jiang Cafe. This is the owner.
Remember us? Vincom Center earlier?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Same grab car.
Serious.
Here we go. Guys, we're here in Hamvi, Michelin restaurant here in Hanoi, year 2023 and 2024. Currently, fully booked. Fully book. For matcha, para siyang Japanese resto. Okay guys, let's try this coffee. Salted coffee. Taste test. Tapa? Okay naman. Parang hindi siya matamis. I had a text message na pwede daw kami mag-dining dito sa Tambi. So let's go. Ano pala siya guys? 5 PM siya nag-open. Consecutive year of having a Michelin star. Okay. The drinks is here. Order this. Hindi pala yun. Tofu. I'm thinking about pandan soy milk.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, okay. Just one of these. She's the green mango salad for appetizer. This tiny shrimp, aka dilis. Dilis nga ba yun? This is the sauce for this? Sauce
Yeah,
for this. Okay.
the shrimp paste.
Mushroom paste.
The traditional sauce in Vietnam.
Let's try it. Let's try this. Ang tamis ah.
Your hands milk. And your order is fully in your table, so enjoy your food.
Thank you.
Thank you. Love it. Sarap. Ito na yung pickle, ano?
Periwinkle.
Sarap ng salad, ah. Let's try the tofu. Pero ano nga siya? Malansa. As is na siya ganito. Para siyang plastic, no?
Can you take this out? Yeah. Take it out, yeah. Thank you.
Ang sarap nga to. I'll try this. Thank you.
Thank you. Oh, easy dog.
1 cup of rice. Masarap nga siya sa kanin. Pero parang siyang adobo.
Capsule. Adobong na ito.
Let's try their pandan. Soy pandan milk. This one is very light. Hindi siya matamis. Actually, lasa niya parang buncha.
Because of the noodles.
Even yung sauce, ito. Parang manamis-namis na maanghang. Pag naglagay ka ng buncha,
Nilagyan niya. Kasi ano yung suka eh.
suka, may garlic, chili. $812 lang. It times 2, nasa 1.6 lang. But we ordered a lot. And it's good. It's 8 out of 10. Okay. Vietnamese caramelized pork and eggs. Vietnamese ham with periwinkle snails. Thank you for the experience. Doji Tower. Doji Tower. No, 140. 2. 140. 140. No? 125. Oh, mura lang, 35. Wow. 3 and 4 yung best seller.
Yeah.
Sa akin ito,
To go.
number 4.
Okay. 3, number 3, and then 1, number 4.
This is how they do it.
Okay. Thank you. 150.
Mas mura pa rin, 75.
Sige. Okay. We'll get you. Yung mga bread. Ito. Ay, sige.
First banh mi.
Oo.
Banh mi.
Meron ko kanina eh.
Ito. What if t-shirt pa sa lubong? Kasi pangit ang quality. Ang hirap naman maghanap eh.
Hi. Time check. 4:45. Our flight is 8:25 a.m.
Thank you.
Kakatapos natin ng immigration, tapos security. And andito na kami sa gate. Pero we will check other stores pa, like mga duty frees, to buy some pasalubong kasi wala pa kami masyadong nabibili. Pero before that, meron kasi akong binili na banh mi kagabi. Pero di ko pa siya nakakain because sobrang busog ng dinner. Kainin lang natin tong banh mi na to. Banh mi 25. I think this one is Michelin star also na banh mi. One of the sikat na banh mi dito sa Hanoi. So ito siya guys. Taste test.
As expected, di na siya malutong. But the taste ng meat, masarap naman siya. What I got is the number 4 with pate. Medyo spicy siya. Pero mas masarap to. Mas masarap to compared to banh mi mama. Finally, a banh mi that is worth a hype. Kasi masarap siya. In fairness dito sa Noybay International Airport. Pero bago siya, tapos malinis.
Souvenir shop.
Coffee ko. This one is in sachet, right?
Instant coffee.
Instant coffee.
Soft coffee.
Sa
Coconut coffee. Let's sell.
ito yung mga duty free nila. Kasi puro tobacco naman yung meron. Tsaka liquor.
47.
This one is libre. For the Rejoran. Ito. Kaso wala silang mask. Puro Rejoran.
Oh, yan yun. We have it.
Kaso wala silang mask eh. Ito ba yung mask? 65.
Ayun yun.
Ito. 12 lang. Oo.
SDN.
Oo.
That's how much? 4 times.
60. Mga 650 yung peso. Magkano sa atin? Parang gusto kong bumili kahit isa.
600 lang to?
Oo.
Oh.
Wow. 1 million. Okay. I'll count them later. We got 4 boxes of Rejoran. Looking for more. Then 1 coconut espresso frappuccino.
Yep.
How much is this? $2. How much?
587 daw.
Sounds yes.